In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive folder. Let's get started by heading over to Microsoft's official website. This is our starting point, the gateway to accessing all things Microsoft, including OneDrive. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to provide your email address. It's important to enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account accurately to avoid any sign-in issues. After entering your email, proceed by clicking the Next button to move forward. You will then be asked to key in your password. Remember, this is the password you set up for your Microsoft account. Type it in carefully and again, click Next to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you might be prompted to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device, clicking Yes could save you time in the future by skipping the sign-in process when accessing Microsoft services, including OneDrive. However, if you're using a public or shared computer, it might be safer to skip this step to protect your account. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate to the All Microsoft section. This part of the website is a hub for all Microsoft products and services. From here, you're looking for OneDrive, which is Microsoft's powerful cloud storage solution, allowing users to store files and access them from any device, anywhere. Locate and click on the OneDrive option to proceed to the OneDrive page. You'll again be prompted to sign in. This is to ensure that you're accessing the right OneDrive account associated with your Microsoft credentials. Click on Sign In, and you'll be taken to your OneDrive dashboard. This is where all your stored files and folders are displayed, and where the magic of organization happens. Now for the moment we've been waiting for, creating a new folder in OneDrive. Look for the Add New button. This can typically be found at the top of your dashboard or in a similarly prominent location. Clicking on this button will present you with a few options. Choose Folder from these options. This action commands OneDrive to create a new folder, and there you have it, you just created a new folder in OneDrive. This new folder is like a blank canvas, ready for you to organize your files, whether they're work documents, personal photos, or anything in between. You can name this folder to reflect its contents or purpose, making it easier to find and access your files later on. Creating folders in OneDrive is just the beginning. You can create as many folders as you need, organize them into subfolders, and even share them with friends, family, or colleagues for collaborative work. Remember, staying organized is key to productivity, and familiarizing yourself with tools like OneDrive can make a significant difference in managing your digital life. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Creating a folder in OneDrive is a simple process, but it's an essential skill for anyone looking to improve their digital organization.